Yeah, can you see now? Can you see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Internet got disconnected in college. Wi-Fi got disconnected. Have you noted down all these 4 question tags? He is good, isn't he? He will come, won't he? She does not know the answer. Does she? He is not good at English. Is he? Have you understood question tags now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's go to the next slide. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
change this.
Sir, can you please send?
Please. Yes, what do you want?
Aren't I?
Yeah, I am a doctor. Question tag
Mami, I
again.
need a class.
I am a
But I
doctor.
think.
See, for I, there is if I is an exception. So I is singular. Sometimes
Aren't I?
aren't I? Correct. I am a doctor, aren't I? I am a doctor, aren't I? That is good. And am I not also is good. Both can be used. Am I not? Am I not or aren't I? I'm a doctor, am I not? Aren't I? Both are correct. Next, Prakash sings songs well. Again, question tag.
Doesn't he?
Doesn't he? Right, very good. Doesn't he? Because there is no helping, we can't see any helping verb here. If there is a helping verb, we can repeat the same helping verb in tag. But when there is no helping verb, we have to use Prakash sings songs. Doesn't he? It has to be, doesn't he? When there is no helping verb, you have to use do form, not is. సాధారణంగా ఇట్లా అంటారు ప్రకాష్ సింగ్ సాంగ్స్ ఈజంట్ హీ అంటారు చాలా మంది బట్ నో ఇట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్ ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ డూ ఫార్మ్ యాజ్ ప్రకాష్ ఇస్ థర్డ్ ఫార్మ్ సింగులర్ వీ హ్యావ్ యూస్ డస్ రాబర్ట్ bought fruits yesterday doesn't he brought yesterday didn't he right didn't he Robert brought fruits yesterday didn't he please kindly help me please and kindly, both are telling the same thing. You can use either please or kindly. You can't use both.
Kindly help me.
Kindly help me or please help me.
Please help me.
Both are correct. Please help me or kindly help me. Now he can be able to do this work.
He can do this work.
Correct. He can do this work. Or he is able to do that work also, you can say. He is able to do this work or he can do this work. Anand returns back.
Anand returns after an hour.
Yeah. Anand returns after half an hour. Return అంటేనే బ్యాక్ రావడం మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ అనే పదం ఉండొద్దు ఆనంద్ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్టర్ హాఫ్ ఎన్ అవర్ ఆనంద్ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్టర్ హాఫ్ ఎన్ అవర్ I requested the librarian to refund back my deposit. Again, same.
To refund my deposit.
Yes, I requested the librarian to refund my deposit. Refund lone
Back.
Back undi.
Ichchedam.
Okay. Now shall we go to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It was a blunder mistake.
It is a blunder.
No, you need not change tense. What is the mistake in this sentence?
It was a mistake.
It was a mistake anale, but it was a blunder anale. Blunder and mistake give the same meaning. You cannot use both. Paper kaitamu. And some people say paper kaitam. You should say either blunder or mistake, but you can't say both. Rendite ardham okate. It was a blunder or it was a mistake. Then in case if rendu okate ardham. In
Yes,
case
sir.
if both are
If
same.
you go early, you will get tickets.
Yeah. If you go early, you will get tickets. Or in case you go early, you will get tickets. Both are correct.
Yes, sir.
But you can't use both. What is your PIN number? Again, the same.
What is your PIN?
What is your PIN?
What's your pin?
What is your PIN? Right.
What is your
N in PIN stands for number. So you did not say number again. Many students say this. My PIN number is so and so. It is wrong. He awaited for the bus at Krishna Palace. He awaited for the bus. Await means wait for. I told you already in the class. Await ante ardham.
He awaited
He awaited
for the
the
bus
bus
at
at
Krishna Palace.
Krishna Palace.
He awaited the bus at Krishna Palace. He awaited the bus at Krishna Palace, or he waited for the bus at Krishna Palace.
Yes, sir.
He waited for the bus at Krishna Palace, or he awaited the bus at Krishna Palace. You can't say awaited for, because awaited is nothing but waited for. So if you say like this, he waited for the bus. That is the sentence. I persuaded him to agree to buy a car. Persuade antene oppinchadam. Malla to agree and avasram leda. Again, that is also redundant.
I persuaded
him to buy a car.
Yes.
To buy a car.
I persuaded
Right.
him.
Right, correct. Please go through the sentences quickly. Once again.
It was a blunder mistake. It was a mistake. In case if you go early, you'll get tickets. If you go early, you'll get tickets. What is your PIN number? What's your PIN? He waited for the bus at a Krishna Palace. He waited for the bus at a Krishna Palace. I persuaded him to agree to buy a car. I persuaded him to buy a car.
Persuaded, persuade, not pursue. I persuaded. That is the word. Now, next. It is very easy. What is the correct sentence?
Our examinations begin on Monday morning.
Right, correct.
Monday
Please.
morning.
It is very
It is
hot.
very hot.
It is very hot.
Very hot.
Yes, yes.
There is wind here. I don't like it.
Okay, right. There is wind here. I don't like it. Or it is windy here. Gali ekkunte
Yes.
windy.
Yes, sir.
Again, this is
I
simple.
did not come to class yesterday.
I
Right.
did not come. I brought lunch today.
I brought lunch today. I brought lunch today.
My father bought a
buy
car.
a
car.
My father.
My
My
computer
computer does not
Does not work well
does
sometimes.
not work well sometimes.
sometimes.
Does not.
I have two brothers and sisters.
Two brothers
I
and
have two brothers and sisters.
I have two brothers and a sister.
And a sister.
Okay. You have given the correct sentences quickly. Now, these are some important points. You can please note down all these things quickly. You can take a screenshot. I have idli. అంటే నా దగ్గర ఒక ఇడ్లీ ఉన్నది అని అర్థం. But I am having idli means I am eating idli. అర్థమైందా? I have a laptop. I have a computer. I have a house. I have 10 dresses. You can say. I have ante possession. కలిగి ఉన్నాను. I have a laptop. అంటే నా దగ్గర ఒక ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉంది. But if you say I am having laptop, నేను ల్యాప్టాప్ తింటున్నా అన్నట్టు అర్థం వస్తుంది. Don't say I am having laptop. I am having idli means I am eating idli. Okay? That is the difference between I have and I am having. And ing main ga no ing for ing అనేది ఉండదు. Emotions కి, measurement కి, senses కి, thoughts కి, possessions కి ing ఉండదు. You can't say I am loving. ఈ మధ్య వాడుతున్నారు I am loving it అని కూడా అంటున్నారు. But actually that is wrong. Grammatically, I am loving అనేది wrong. I am loving you. No, you can't say I love you. You can't say I am hating you. You have to say I hate you.
I hate you.
I prefer coffee to tea. Don't say I am preferring coffee to tea. So ing is not added to these verbs. Okay? No ing for all these things. Emotions, measurements, senses. I am seeing. Don't say I am seeing. I see. Don't say I am hearing. I hear. Smell. I smell. Not I am smelling. Okay? Thought at again. Don't say I am knowing. I am believing you. Never say I am believing you. I believe you. I remember that. I remember the problem. I remember grammar. I remember tenses. Don't say I am remembering tenses. Again, the first one, having. Belong. It belongs to me. It is belonging to me, another. I own the car, not I am owning the car. So these are the verbs which do not take ing form. అర్థమైందా? వీటి కూడా ing form రాయకూడదు. This slide is very important. You must remember this. You have to remember this. It is a very important slide. Ing is used for actions, events, and activities. He is having a rest. తీసుకుంటున్నాడు. Action. They are having a party. You can say. Now, this is the most important slide. I have prepared this. Some very, very important points. You can note down or you can take a screenshot. Always singular ఉండేవి. Poetry. Poetry is anam. Scenery అంటాం. Scenery is అనొద్దు. Already వచ్చింది మనకి. Machinery అంటాం. Machineries కాదు. News always is singular. News ఉంది కనుక news are అనొద్దు. News is. Hair, again, hair is. Hair is always singular. Furniture is. Luggage is. Not luggage are. Luggages and ledu. Furnitures, luggages, hairs and words levu. News and a word lo yes unnapadi kuda it is a singular. Okay? And then always plural. Scissors. Kattera. Telugulo kattera antam anuvadam chestam singular. But in English it is scissors, plural. A pair of scissors. చూడండి రెండు ఉంటాయి ఇట్లా ఉంటాయి కదా ఎక్స్ షేప్ లో సిజర్స్ లో yes are you following me
Yes, sir.
ఇట్లా
Yes,
ఉంటుంది
sir.
ఒక సిజర్ ఇది ఒక సిజర్ రెండు కలిస్తేనే సిజర్స్ a pair of scissors riches డబ్బు ఉండడం he has lots of riches plural always plural gymnastics gymnastic singular లేదు cattle plural earnings biceps, trousers. All this is additional information which is not there in your textbook. All these things are not there in your textbook. This is additional information. And the third point is very important. Shall we stop? Do you have a class now?
Yes, sir. Chemistry, sir.
Okay, let us stop now. Let us stop now. It is already 12:23. Let us stop now. You can take. You can join chemistry class. Let us, if possible, let us discuss this before going to the next topic. With this, we finish error analysis, but you have to practice a lot. Okay, see you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Please send YouTube links or videos.
Yeah, sure. I will.
Thank you, sir.